Were you surprised that you got whacked? Because that's what they do.
I actually was quite surprised because I thought, I'm leading the Russia investigation. Even though our relationship was becoming strained, there's no way I'm going to get fired or whacked.
Because, why? Why wouldn't you get fired?
Because that would be a crazy thing to do. Why would you fire the FBI director who's leading the Russia investigation?
Because you're leading the Russia investigation. What it does, I don't know if you've dealt with mob bosses before, but they don't like to be investigated.
Yeah.
Are there things, you know, I know you can't keep secrets and all that kind of stuff, but are there things that you know about the Russia investigation that were happening before you were fired that we haven't learned yet as a public?
Yes.
Can you tell me what those are?
No.
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
And they're not in the book. I had to have my book reviewed by the FBI.
Oh, really?
To make sure it didn't include classified information or any sensitive investigative information.
Okay.
So it's not in the book, and I can't talk about it.
Okay. Drink some more wine.
Slancha.